Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to read slides on Slideshare. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to read slides on Slideshare. Maybe because you're having exams, you're just going to prepare for it, therefore, you need the slides. Or maybe you're doing some kind of research, therefore, you're going through different slides so that you could find which could be helpful for you. Or maybe you're just a teacher looking to create an assignment, or maybe slides of your own, so you're just helping and getting some ideas. Or there could be any other reason for you to read slides on Slideshare. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Slideshare, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Slideshare app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now we're in the home section, therefore you could see all these slides that you could read. And if you have followed any categories, then you will see content related to that category on your home page. Once you get to this explore section, if you're looking for something specific, you can get from here, like you can search for that from here, and there we have other options. Once you get to you, this is your profile and you could see stuff related to it. Once you get back to home, there you will see different kind of slides on your home screen. So let's say you want to read any one of these. So the easiest thing is that you just simply tap on it and those slides will open. Now you just have to simply swipe it and read the slide. You could also zoom in and zoom out, and you can read any of the slides that you're looking for. There are multiple pages available. You can go to any one of these pages and can read that slide. And if you're looking for something specific, then you have to go to explore. On the search bar, you could search for it. Let's say you're a home chef looking for some slide, then you have to search for something like food, chef, cuisine, and then you will find slides related to that keyword. Whichever you like, just simply tap on it, go through different slides, and you will get to know about it. If you are a nutritionist, dietitianist, then this category will also help you out in understanding different things. You can also zoom in, zoom out, you can read them, you will get to know more about it. You can prepare your exam or anything, whatever your purpose to read slide, you can do that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can read slides on Slideshare. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you so much for watching the video.